It's Basant Punchami today, a day heartily dedicated to the goddess of knowledge and wisdom, Ma Saraswati. This day remarks the arrival of autumn season, and different kinds of flowers have already started blooming. So today's day is a blend of cultural beauties, traditional taste, and cultural activities, rituals. Since morning, we have done lots of cultural activities, but I'm extremely sorry I couldn't show you because we were so busy, and I personally don't feel good. Honestly, I don't feel good, holding cameras all the time when we are performing our ritual. But a few clips I have, and I will definitely share with you. I wish you a very happy Basant Panchami, and I really and heartily pray for your lucid life. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Basant Panchami again.